Let's make one more tutorial in SolidWorks. In this video, you'll learn how to use the extrude boss base. In extrude, cut open the SolidWorks and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint. We have all the dimensions here. We will create this sketch, and then we will extrude this 25 millimeters. Open the SolidWorks and let's go. First thing here, go to Sketch. Select Sketch here and select the right plane. Select Line, click here in the midpoint. Make the sketch here, now go to Smart Dimension. The distance here is 10 millimeters. Now select this line, hold Control in the keyboard. Select this line, select Equal. Go to Smart Dimension again. The distance here is 30 millimeters. The distance here 10 millimeters. And the distance here is 10 millimeters. Select this point here, hold the Control in the keyboard, and select this point here. And make this horizontal, go to Smart Dimension again. The distance here is 15 millimeters. Select this two line and make this equal line. And this line here has 20 millimeters of length. And we have this okay. And now leave the sketch, go to Features and select Extrude Boss Base. The direction here, select mid-plane. And the distance here, 25 millimeters. Okay, press OK. We made this now. We needed to create this hole here. This hole has 10 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of this hole and this edge is 20 millimeters. And we know that this hole here is vertical. With the midpoint, go to create a sketch and select this face here. And select Circle. Make a circle here with 10 millimeters of jumper. And the distance between the center of this circle and the midpoint here is 20 millimeters. And select this point, hold Control in the keyboard. Select the midpoint and add your relation vertical. And press OK. Now go to extrude the cut in the direction here. Select through all. In Brazil, we made this. Okay, here we finish your exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. And see you in the next two videos. Bye-bye.